What's up everybody? This is Colin Dijs from Dijs University, and today we have another interesting question from Clay, who posted it in my Facebook group. Is it enough to spend 1,000 every month? I will build a passive income from affiliate marketing and I will focus on email marketing. When I get to $1,000 a month via email marketing and Messenger, then I will invest that money to promote ClickBank on native ads. Do you think this is a good strategy?
This video is brought to you by Landerize.com. Create highly optimized landing pages in minutes. Get your 14-day free trial in the description below this video.
Obviously, a very interesting flow, well laid out, at least thought about what you want to do. And Clay is of course one of my #1 supporters, so I had to pick up his question. Let's have a look at the overall answer. So obviously I'm going to come in strong like I always do. Passive income is a myth. Obviously my opinion, but there's no such thing as passive income. Things might appear as passive. Let's say recurring commissions, those are passive. Let's say real estate, that is a form of passive, but it's never really passive. Dividend stocks, passive. So what I'm basically saying is nothing is really passive. Passive means doing nothing, and income means getting money. When you have to get an invoice, set a signature, it's no longer passive. You need to do something to get what you want, right? So dividend paying stocks, you need to cash the money out of the account. With real estate, you need to talk with the owners, you need to buy the house, you need to rent it out, you need to do repairs, you have to have a landlord, all this shit, right? Or you are the landlord, but some maintenance guy. Or recurring commissions, you need to write invoices, you need to collect the money, you need to make sure that they send you the right amount of money, you need to send the clicks initially, you send to net new clicks. So passive income is bullshit, but I get the idea, something similar as passive income, right? Rent it over. $1,000 days organic, or it was say $1,000 a month, right? So not days, month. And then go the paid traffic route. Obviously, this is situation specific. So if we look at 1,000 a month organic, I assume you mean organic, I should say email marketing messenger. With organic, you get low quality traffic. That's the biggest issue. Unless you specify in a specific niche on Facebook groups, LinkedIn, YouTube, blogs, then you can filter the traffic. If you're going to spam Facebook groups, like a lot of people do, that is completely useless. You'll get a shit ton of leads, all not buying, and what you're looking is buyer traffic. 1,000 leads, one buyer, or 2 filtered leads, 2 buyers. What would you rather have? Obviously 2 on 2. And then go the paid route. All right, so this is interesting. So Clay said, he said 1,000 every month, then I would suggest at least a tier 2 approach when promoting ClickBank offers on native ads. And then probably it's better, unless you go like something like Brazil or Mexico, it's probably better to choose a different network than ClickBank in this situation to promote tier 2, tier 3 offers, to be fair. Cash on delivery would be huge in Asia, Eastern Europe. That would be a good angle. The question is it enough to spend $1,000 a month on ClickBank or any different other network on native ads? Yes, for tier 2 and tier 3 countries. Then we go to a step back, right? When I get $1,000 a month via email marketing and messenger, obviously I would say this is your organic approach. This is how you want to do it. I wouldn't suggest that way because I'm a paid traffic kind of guy. I would just get a job for a month, earn $1,000 to $1,500, putting in data, copy pasting images, uploading YouTube videos for people, go to Upwork, find a job, get paid $1,000 a month, even if it's stupid, like cold calling all the time. After that month, you can start your journey, right? What happens, what I see all too often happen when people have that $1,000 dream with organic, it's not going to take 1 month, it's going to take 5 months. And after that 5 months, they have the shiny object syndrome, see all kinds of things going on the entire time and nothing happens, right? So it's a solid plan, Clay, that's for sure. However, you need to structure it and you need to set a timeline because $1,000 is obviously not guaranteed, especially not with organic and especially not with passive income. And with passive income, I would assume you are referring to monthly recurring revenue like the Landerize affiliate program, right? Which pays a monthly commission every time you refer somebody if they stick as a user, which is a great model, don't get me wrong. We do that ourselves as well. However, it is not really passive, and it's difficult. I've done some email marketing way back, even before I started with the real CPA with Facebook and stuff, but it's not as easy as it appears to be, or as the YouTube videos play it out to be, right? Every business model is hard, but it's basically situation specific. If you have no money, you need to invest time, right? Time in getting a job or trying to hustle your way through the flow you want to take. I would always suggest having a dedicated source of income, source of cash flow, by getting a fucking job, even if you hate doing it. I worked in a call center for 2.5 years. I fucking hated it every single day, but it made me money, which I invested into the business, and now look what I got. Nobody can fuck with me. I have all the money in the world, and I like what I do every single day, right? If you have no time, that's the point where I'm now, invest money. I hire people to do the work for me, because I just don't have more time. I can work 14 hours a day, but after almost now 3.5 years, I'm getting tired, as you can understand. And more stress, more money, more problems, right? So you have probably, when I look at your budget, no money. Invest time, get a job, or follow your organic route. Either choice is good, don't get me wrong. I would just advise you to get a job for 1 month, get $1,000, $1,500, $2,000, and then move into the paid traffic route. Paid traffic is always best with sufficient capital. You can even hold a day job where you online copy-paste images, edit videos for people, all that stuff, while doing your CPA 2 hours a day on the side. That would be my recommendation. I have a video on my YouTube channel where I explain how to transfer income. So this is your job, this is affiliate income. 0 to 100%. Then you go 75, 25, 50, 50, and then you go 100, 0. And you have switched from working from somebody else to working for yourself, but you allow yourself the time, 4 steps, 4 months in a transition period, which is very, very much important. So basically, that's my advice, Clay. I hope you can do something with it. I hope you all learned something from this. If you have any questions, post them down in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.